We're going to go through some problems using this contingency chart. And in this contingency chart, we have information about binge drinkers versus non-binge drinkers, and then males versus females. And then we have the totals of the males and the females here. And then we have the totals coming across here for the binge drinker down here, and the totals for the non-binge drinkers there. And then, of course, the total for the entire sample is this right here. And it should add up coming down, and it should add up coming across. Now, the first question says the total number of males in the study is. So if we look across here, if I come across, this is the row that has all the males in it. And the total at the end is this total 7,676. So I would write for my answer for the total number of males in the study, I would put 7,676. Now the next part says there were blank binge drinkers, and this specifically says among the males in the study. So we want to look at just the males in the study. So let's erase all this. If I look at just the males, that's this row right here. And I want to see how many binge drinkers there were among the males. So among the males, the binge drinkers is this right here. So I would answer that as 3,721. Now this last part is asking about a probability, and it's a conditional probability. And I know that because it has the little line here that indicates that we have a given assumption. B is the event that we have a binge drinker, and M is the event that we have a male. Now this is telling me that I want to find the probability of being a binge drinker given that the person is male. This is our assumption. So rather than taking out of the whole total of the sample, this is telling us that we know the person that we're looking for is male. So we're only going to take it out of the male total, which is 7,676. So another way you can look at this little line here, you can think of it as we're taking it out of, and then after that line would be the category that you're taking it out of. So I'm taking the binge drinkers out of the male category. So if I want to find that probability, it would be 3,721 over 7,676. And then, of course, if you want, you can put that as a decimal.